My blood sugar stabilized. Thanks to this herb. People are raving about this superfood. Why don't you try it? Risk-free. Insulin Herb, Berberine, also known as the Ayurvedic Miracle Plant, has been traditionally used as medicine for centuries by the Indians and Chinese. Recent years, due to the increasing trend towards natural botany solutions, Western societies have only been made aware of its impressive medicinal benefits. The anti-hyperglycemic potential of berberine has been confirmed by multiple human studies. This highlights the ability of berberine to support blood sugar and cholesterol levels. The growing numbers of research papers published in various prestigious journals, including the Journal of Metabolism, evaluated and confirmed the anti-diabetic potential of berberine. To read the full studies, follow the links at the bottom of this page. 5 specific ways berberine can stabilize your blood sugar. Berberine has been prized for centuries for its healing properties. Now this potent herb is naturally balancing blood sugar levels by helping your body decrease insulin resistance, making the blood sugar-lowering hormone insulin more effective. Berberine may activate the metabolic master switch, an energy-stabilizing enzyme found inside cells. AMPK, adenosine monophosphate kinase, is known as a metabolic master switch due to its positive influence on metabolism. It's believed that this helps improve insulin sensitivity at the cellular level. Decrease sugar production in the liver. Berberine helps slow the sugar factory. According to studies, berberine may stimulate glycolysis, the metabolic pathway by which sugar is broken down and converted to energy, and may inhibit gluconeogenesis, the creation of glucose. In effect, these activities decrease insulin sensitivity and help to balance blood sugar levels. Slow the breakdown of carbohydrates. Berberine supports the liver. Plant compounds are thought to help improve insulin sensitivity in the liver by reducing its production of glucose. Additionally, berberine is thought to boost thermogenesis. These activities help suppress the liver's tendency to make new glucose when liver cells become insulin resistant. Increases the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Superscript 1. Several studies have shown that berberine may modulate the gut microbiota through enriching short-chain fatty acid, SCFA, producing bacteria and reducing microbial diversity. This in turn inhibits dietary polysaccharide degradation and decreases caloric intake in the gut, which may improve energy metabolism and intestinal health, anti-inflammatory effects, and immune regulatory effects. Removes deep body fat that accumulates around the belly and organs. There's a strong correlation between blood sugar and weight loss. Research on berberine for weight loss and fat-burning activity is limited but promising. In one 12-week study, subjects lost about 2.3% body weight, or 5 pounds, and lowered BMI and body fat percentage by 3.6% with a dosage of 3,500 milligrams per day. Another 3-month study revealed a drop in BMI, from 31.5 to 27.4, in obese individuals, as well as a reduction in waist circumference. Convenient berberine capsules. The contents can also be used in a smoothie or tea. 60 capsules per bottle, 1 month supply, 2 capsules per day for optimal results. Why we added berberine to our store, the story. As a caregiver myself to a family member with symptoms of type 2, we tried a lot of the doctor's mainstream advice, exercising, dieting, with very little success. It was through a consultation with a traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, practitioner did we learn about berberine. The results we obtained through consuming berberine were remarkable. We started offering the product to other people who struggled to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. During a 2-year period, we have received some really notable testimonials. Read some of them below. Berberine success stories. Her daily sugar is lower than it has ever been. I have been taking Berberine to help lower my A1C. I'm not that high, 5.6, but since type 2 runs in my family, I want to keep it as low as I can. Since taking the Berberine, my A1C has gone down to 5.5. I have ordered some for my mother that has a 8.4 A1C, and she has noticed her daily sugar is lower than it has ever been. I am anxious to see what her results will be when she goes back for blood work. Cheryl L. Young. Works better. Thank you, I love this product. I have not had to take metformin for a year because it works better. Brooklyn Perry. Blood sugar came down. After one cap last night after a meal, my blood sugar came down. Ray Webb. Lowered my blood sugar levels without any ill effects. I suffer from PCOS and metformin made me ill. Berberine has lowered my blood sugar levels without any ill effects. Elizabeth Mitchell. This product is a fantastic product. I got it for my uncle. His sugar dropped from between 200 to 400 to 80 just the next morning, and it has been running between 70 and 100 for about 2 months. His blood pressure is better and his energy level went up. He is back to caring for himself daily and walking without support. Thank you very much for this product. Strong. Totally happy with product. I bought this product because I had read that it removes deep body fat. This is the fat that accumulates around your belly and many organs. This was confirmed on Mayo Clinic website. It also claims that it lowers blood sugar and cholesterol and boosts metabolism. All I know is that since I have started taking, my weight has gradually decreased when all I am doing is trying to maintain. Haven't had sugar and cholesterol checked, but definitely will continue to use. J.S. Wise. Asterisk results may vary from person to person and are not typical. This product is not claiming to cure a medical condition. We offer a money-back guarantee should you not be satisfied with results. To use Berberine to heal without side effects, the Berberine needs to pass 2 tests. Test number 1. Now, it's a known fact that for Berberine to have its best effects, the recommended daily dosage is around 1,500 milligrams. The problem is Berberine is very potent stuff, and consuming 1,500 milligrams in a single dosage can cause stomach discomfort, cramps, and even have you running to the bathroom every 15 minutes. Many studies have shown you should take Berberine 500 milligrams, 3 times daily, to reach the correct recommended dosage. Using separate doses improves absorption, but more importantly helps you avoid side effects like stomach cramps and nausea that arise from a concentrated 1,500 milligrams dose. So it had to be in a capsule form, at 500 milligrams per dose. So we had to use Berberine sourced organically from the tree bark of Philodendron amaranthes, sterilized them after harvesting and extracted the Berberine into 500 milligrams dose, capsule form. Test number 2. 1 extra ingredient added to amplify Berberine's results. A little-known flowering herb, milk thistle, which belongs to the daisy and ragweed family. It's often called the holy thistle because it has a long history of treating liver problems, lowering cholesterol, lowering inflammation. But the real benefit is in the fact that milk thistle's main active ingredient is silymarin, and once combined with berberine, was shown in one study to increase the bioavailability of berberine in the intestines and to raise its concentration in the blood and for longer periods of time. Dedicated to improving your lifestyle without breaking the bank. Here at EasyAbsorb, we developed our berberine with the purpose of improving the lifestyle of people who have trouble keeping their blood sugar under control. Our goal is to provide the best possible supplement at the best possible value. We achieve this goal by providing you with a supplement that has seen positive results across the board in a real human study, at the incredible value of less than $30 per month, as well as a money-back guarantee. Order with no risk with our 100% money-back guarantee. We make sure our customers love their product or we will refund 100% of their investment. We're so confident you'll enjoy Berberine that will bear all the risk. Free expedited shipping for 3 bottles or more, 2 to 7 days in the US. No one likes waiting 21 days or more for their parcel. That's why we've given free expedited shipping on our dime. Also, you get to try our products before the week comes to an end. 90-day, empty bottle, 100% guarantee. Enjoy Berberine for the next 90 days, and if you don't love the experience, let us know and we'll make it right for you. Risk-free returns and shipping. Should you decide that you don't enjoy Berberine, send it back to us and you'll get a full refund. Put Berberine to work today and naturally lower your blood sugar levels. Each bottle contains a 30-day supply, 60 capsules. Recommended intake is 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams a day. Each capsule contains 500 milligrams. Take 1 capsule 2 to 3 times a day before or after a meal. All orders are one-time purchases only. Choose your option below. Rest assured that all orders made on this page are one-time purchases. This means that you will not be charged again for subsequent months. There will not be any recurring billing or hidden charges. When you are ready to order, you can purchase again from our website. Starter Pack/Value Pack. 3-month supply. $119.70. $89.70, $29.90 per month. You save 25%. Or single bottle, 1-month supply. $39.90. Free shipping on all orders. No automatic refill. Money back guarantee. Click one of the purchase options below. Buy single bottle 1-month supply, $39.90. Buy value pack 3-month supply, $89.70, save 22%. Read the top 11 questions customers had asked before ordering Berberine. Click on the questions below to see the answers. 1. When can I expect results with Berberine? 2. Does Berberine have any side effects? 3. Does Berberine contain gluten, soy, peanuts, shellfish, or any other allergens? 4. Can I take Berberine with metformin? 5. How does Berberine help regular blood sugar? 6. I'm pre-diabetic. Can I take Berberine to manage my blood sugar? 7. Will Berberine work for me if I'm not dieting or working out? 8. Is this a one-time purchase? 9. Do you ship worldwide, for example? Canada, New Zealand? What are the shipping charges? 10. What currency are the prices in? 11. When can I expect my shipment of Berberine?